Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Do you like this? Is it Nardo grey? Anyway, it's a nice shiny grey colour. Looks really modern. Okay, SEAT Alhambra 2 litre TDI. It's an Ecomotive SE. It's Euro 6 ULEZ compliant stop-start. It has done 71,000 miles by its one lease company health authority owner, with a full maintenance printout. Just had a new cam belt and water pump. Okay, service history at 10, 23, 31, 37, 53 and 70,000 miles. One owner, good history, just serviced, cam belt and water pump just done, 71,000 miles in total, and £12,495 for your people carrier, 7 seats. So front fog lamps, front park sensors. Just got 2 new tyres which we're going to put on the front. Back tyres are like new. It's just had new discs and pads on the back. So it's just had cam belt, water pump, engine service, discs and pads on the back, and it will have 2 new front tyres fitted tomorrow. Back tyres are good, paintwork's lovely, alloy wheels are in nice condition, not covered in stone chips. So yeah, front fog lamps, front park sensors. Inside, got privacy glass, aluminium roof rails. Inside, it's got the usual black and sort of grey fleck trim. Flat bottom, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, DAB radio, Bluetooth, tyre pressure sensors, digital climate control, electronic handbrake. It's got the climate controls in the back for the rear passengers as well. Sliding side doors, picnic tables on the backs of the seats, heater controls there for the passengers in the rear. Really nice condition. Obviously you can fold this up for access to the rear seats, 6 and 7 seats which do fold away into the boot floor if you would like them to. Very nice. Nice vehicle this. Rear park sensors. Still got a reasonably good boot area as well, yeah. Even with the 6th and 7th seats in place, still got quite a big boot area. Lovely and clean. Again, this side alloy wheels are nice. Bodywork's lovely. Do like this colour, is fantastic. Very nice. £12,495. So electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic lights, some electronic adjustments on the seat and some manual adjustments. Driver's seat's not worn. Steering wheel, lovely leather wheel, flat bottom with cruise control, multifunction, 70,056 miles. All very nice in there. So there it is, £12,495 for the 2018. This car is registered 2018, beginning of the year, on a 67, so January, February or early March 2018. 71,000 miles. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. that's our website. There'll be some other people carriers on there. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. So if you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.